Today we're going to look at the Aufixy wireless earbuds. They're Bluetooth 5.0 and this is the model K-88. The package inside is relatively simple. It has a short charging cable. It has almost like an AirPods type case. The case has a charging cable outlet right here on the outside. It also has an LED indicator to show you when it is charging. Pops open from the front. The case partially opens. It is labeled right and left. It has magnetic holders on the inside. So that they stay in there nice and easy. They don't fall out when you try to dump them out. And it also shows that it has a battery pack inside the case, so that if it's not plugged in, you can actually charge them if the case is charged up itself. Nice glow-in-the-dark effects. When it's in pairing mode, it will be blinking blue and red until it's actually paired. Alright, so here's the lowdown on the sound. So it actually sounds pretty clear on the trebles. It has really clear sound. You're able to make really clear phone calls. It does not sound distorted or like you're in a tunnel at all. And you can listen to music that has a lot of treble. These are not some super expensive bass headphones. You're not going to hear a lot of bass in there. And if you turn it up too loud, you might hear a little bit of distortion on the bass side. But listening to music and singing and stuff like that has really good sound, super clear and crisp, but it does not have huge bass drums inside the speakers. All in all, it is a pretty good deal. I do a lot of listening to audiobooks and listening to books on tape, stuff like that. So this is going to be a good option for me. I do a lot of working outside and working hard, so I tear up headphones all the time. But so far, this one here sounds pretty clear, pretty crisp. It makes good phone calls, so that's really good for me while I'm working in my business. So hopefully this was informative. If it was, smack that thumbs up. And if you get a chance, subscribe and hit the bell notification so you can see all the videos when they come out. Talk to you later.